Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vivian, and today I'll be making a tutorial on how to make head bonnets. Okay, so these head bonnets, you can wear it in different forms. You can wear it as head bonnet as it is, or you can use it as a head wrap. Okay, so now if you are new to this channel, do hit that subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. And I say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for coming back. Keep watching my videos. Keep taking my serious, okay? So don't forget to give this video a like. And let's move to the work table. So these are the materials we'll be using. I'm using taffeta. You can make use of satin. Okay, you need elastic and your material. So this is African print. You can make use of any other type of material. So now the measurement I took here is 22 inches by 22 inches. So this side is 22 and this other side is 22. So now the next thing to do is to fold it. So I'll fold it this way. Okay, then I'll fold it again like this. So now at this edge, that's where I'll take my measurement from. Okay, so I will mark 10 inches. Now this 10 inches is just for average size. It's not too big. So if you want it very big, you have to increase your measurement. So I would mark 10 inches from here, like so. I mark 10 inches. Then I'll mark it all the way down. That is, I'll mark it all round. 10 inches all round. Okay, 10 inches all round. So this is 10 inches all around, but I was supposed to mark 10.5. That is the half inch for hem allowance. So let me add my half inch. Okay, so this is my half inch hem allowance. So you can just mark your 10.5 at the same time. Let's just mark 10.5. So this is my half inch hem allowance. So I'll just cut it out now. So now I'll open it up, and we have a big circle here. Okay, so this is it. So I'll just use this to cut on my taffeta. So I'll just cut out exactly this from my taffeta. So I'll just place it like this and just cut it out. So you can hold it down with a pin if you don't want it to move around while you're cutting. So I'll just cut it out. So I have it here. So now if you're using satin or any other material that has two sides, what you do, you place it, that is the fabric, the material and the satin or whatever other material you're using, facing it, that is the right side facing each other like this. Okay, the right side facing each other. Then you sew. So you sew in by half inch. Okay, so remember we took half inch allowance, so I'll just sew all round by half inch. Then I'll leave about 4 inches space for turning. Okay, so 4 inches space is okay for turning it in. So I'll just start from one end, I'll sew round up to this point, and I would use that opening to turn it. So don't forget the right side facing the right side. That's how you should place it, and you sew all around. So let me do just that. So I've sewn it in, and this is my space for turning. So I'll just turn it. Okay, and we have it here. So the next thing I'll do now is to iron it. Okay, so I'll just press it down so that I can have a smooth and neat work. So this is it. I'll just give it a good press. Okay, so let me press it down and you will see it. So I have pressed it down and I have this. So the next thing is to mark 1¼ inch. Okay, so that this marking depends on the size of the elastic you'll be using. So my elastic is 1 inch. Okay, that is 1 inch width. So I'll be marking 1¼ round, so that by the time I sew it, my elastic can fit in. Okay, so I'll just mark 1¼ that's 1¼ inch all round, like so. Okay, so I'll just mark it all round and sew it. So I'll just mark all round, so by the time I sew it, my elastic can comfortably move into it. Okay, so that is what I'll do. So you can see, so I have sewn it all round. Okay, so now I would pass in through my elastic. So for your elastic, the measurement, you measure your head circumference, that is just the roundness of your head from the back to the front. You just measure your head. For me, it is 23 inches. So that is the length of the elastic you cut out, 23 inches. Okay, and 23 inches is actually the commercial size, okay, for adults. So now I will use a safety pin and pass through my elastic through this opening I made initially. Okay, this opening that I turned from. So I'll just passing through my elastic like so. So this edge, you can just hold it down here with a pin so that it doesn't go in. So just hold it at this point with a pin. Then I'll continue fixing my elastic through this side. So just pass through until you get to the end. Now remove your safety pin, then you place it together like this. Okay, just place it together like this and you sew here and you also sew here. Okay, so let me just hold it down. So you sew this side and this other side and you have your bonnet. So let me do just that. So I've given it a good stitch, then now I'll pull it in. So this is our bonnet. Then I'll close up this opening. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just fold it like so, then fold this other side, then I'll stitch it with my, you can do this with needle and thread, that's your hand needle and thread. Okay, you can just stitch it or you can just sew it on your sewing machine. Okay, so just fold it in, then fold it in like so, and you stitch. So I've stitched it down and I have my bonnet. Okay, so this is my reversible bonnet. You can wear this side, okay, or wear this side, whichever one you want. So now to the strap. Okay, remember I told you we're making 2 in 1, or should I say 3 in 1, because when you wear this side it's 1, this is 2, then the other style, which I'll be showing you right now, is the third one. So to the strap, what I did is this: I've cut out my strap and I have 11 inches here. Okay, because I'll be folding it. By the time I fold and sew, I'll have 5 inches. So that is why I took 11 inches. Okay, so I have 11 inches by 100 inches length. So if you don't have enough material, you can join like I did here. Okay, so I joined 50 inches by 50 inches to give me 100 inches length. So now the next thing to do is to fold it. So I'll fold it, the inside, the right side going in, then I'll sew it all the way down. Okay, so I'll close up this part and sew. Then along the way I'll leave a little space for turning it. Okay, so I'll leave about 3 inches space for turning it. Then I'll sew all the way down and also close up the other side. Okay, so I have sewn it all the way down, leaving a space at the center for turning it. Okay, then this is what I'll do at this edge. If you want it pointing, you can just cut it out. Okay, but I don't want it pointing, I want it the way it is. So what I'll do, I'll just turn it like this and I'll close it up. So I also do the same for the other side. Okay, so I have it here. So the next thing to do is to turn it in. So I'm using my pencil. I'll just pull it in like so. Okay, until I come out from where I left the space. So you can see I'll come out from here. And I'll do same for the other side. So I would just go in like so. Then come out from this side also. So I have it here. So now I will just close up this space. Okay, so just fold it in and close it up. Then I would iron. So I'll just iron it down. Okay, so this is how I'll place it and I'll iron it down. So I have my strap, you can see I've ironed it down, and this is it. So now you can decide to leave it separately the way it is, and I'll show you how to tie it. Okay, or if you want it permanently on your bonnet, what you will do, you just take the center of it, that is in the center of the strap, and you just attach it somewhere at the bonnet. Okay, so you can just sew it together and you have it like this. Then if you want it detachable, you can cut out a little piece of velcro. Okay, so you attach a one on this side and the other on this side, and then you can just use it to fix it to the bonnet. Then you can also use snap button to do that if you want it permanently but all detachable. Okay, so for me, I'll be leaving it just the way it is. So I'll show you how to tie it. Okay, so this is my bonnet. So you can see how beautiful it is. You can wear it like this, okay, with your hair coming out, okay, or you can just tuck in your hair. So I'm tucking in my hair, and I have it here. Okay, so you can see this is beautiful. This is beautiful. You can go to sleep with it like this. You can see, you can go to sleep with it like this. And this is the other side. You can see, this is beautiful. Okay, so now let's tie our strap to make it look like a hair wrap. Okay, so just adjusting the bonnet, and I'm tying from the back. Just place my strap from the back, and I'll just tie it. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing. Just tying. Okay, making some adjustments. Okay, so this is it, and I have it there. You can decide to leave the rest of the strap like this. Okay, you can see this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Then I can decide to just tie it. So I'm trying to tie it and make a bow. I'm just figuring out what to do. Just want to make it look like a bow. Okay, so I have it there. I have it. This is beautiful. So this is it. So our bonnet can be used with our strap. Okay, to have our hair wrap. This beautiful hair piece. So another way you can use this. Okay, this is just funny me. So just doing this, just trying something. Okay, you can see this. Okay, all right. So this is it. You can use this in so many ways. Okay, so let me tie it from the front and see what we'll have here. So this is it. So in any way you like, you can just make use of this. This is very beautiful. This is a good idea. So you can see the back. No one will tell that this is a bonnet. You can see. This is nice. This is so nice. Wow. So this is it. All right, now I have pushed up my hair. Okay, so I pushed up my hair, tying from the back. Just want to give it that lift in the front here. So that is what I'm doing. So please like this video, give it a thumbs up, okay, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Just hit that subscribe button, okay, and turn on the notification bell to get more videos from me. Also share this video with your friends, okay, so you can see what I have here. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So this is just so nice. You can do this, very easy to do and beautiful. Okay, you can tie it in so many ways. This is multiple styles, multiple style bonnets. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.